My name is Joyce Wamalwa. I'm the County Returning Officer for Machakos. And so far we are preparing for this senatorial by-election, which will be held on 18th of March. And so far we have received 15 aspirants who have shown interest in the by-election. And they'll be submitting their documents for nomination on 25th and 26th of this month, beginning 8 a.m. in the morning. So far we have had security meetings with the top security and things are on course. Everything is going on very well. We are just appealing to the people of Machakos County that they should conduct themselves and the elections should be peaceful, the campaigns should be peaceful. Of course, we expect very peaceful nominations. So far, we do not have any challenges, and we want to thank the security team for ensuring that everything is working well. Thank you. Thank you. So far, we have given the aspirants our code of conduct. Our code of conduct is comprehensive. It talks about peaceful campaigns. Among other things addressed are hate speech. So we do not expect any issues arising or any contravening of the code of conduct. We agreed with the candidates that they'll all adhere to the code of conduct. Therefore, we are not expecting anything that is outside the code of conduct. About COVID protocols, we spoke to them and we agreed that they must all adhere to the COVID rules and regulations by the government. Thank you so much. Thank you. In terms of equipment and personnel, I can say that we are well prepared. Everything is working. Everything has been set and everything is in place. In terms of personnel, we are in the process of recruiting our poll officials, and we are ready for the training. We are ready. We have all the materials that we require. Our equipment are working and working well. So in short, I can say that we are ready for this by-election. Everything is going to work well.
We suspect that we expect 2022 to be more clear.
To be hotter. Yeah, 2022.
That kama ni wewe ulisimamia 2017, nikamwambia tulifanya kazi mingi sana.
2017.
Lakini ilikuwa moto sana. Haya. Story nzuri ya kesho. Kama ndo kwazo vita na kwandia ndo yote. Ngote. Eh? Ah, inye kote yangu na ilo kwazo.
council ipya